Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to do to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the high beam headlight is located, guys, it could be 3 fuses that you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuses you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important, guys, to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the high beam headlight fuse, guys, where it's located, you have multiple fuses, as we said, like 3 fuses. We will demonstrate on that Honda CRV. You have 2 different fuse boxes. We will be working in each one of those. The first fuse box that we need is on the inside, and if you come on the driver's side under the dash above the pedals, look all the way up under the dash, guys, on the left side, you will notice that we have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here we'll need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, and we're checking, guys, fuse number 38 and fuse number 39. These 2 fuses, one is for left headlight, one is for the right headlight. These 2 fuses right here, 38 and 39 for high beams. Then you need to go under the hood. You have a different fuse box here. Open that cover, you will see that fuse box layout. This will be towards the front of the CRV, this is towards the windshield side. You have that multi-block fuse that consists of 11 individual fuses integrated in one multi-block fuse. That's what it looks like. Unfortunately, if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse block. The good news is we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price, quick shipping, that way don't waste your money. The fuse that we need to check is 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th fuse, guys, right here, 30 amp fuse, is the one for the high beams. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you next time.